Hello everyone! Our report that we are going to tackle is all about problem tree analysis. First, what is problem tree analysis? So sabi dito, sometimes called situation analysis or just problem analysis. So bakit ito tinawag na situation analysis and problem analysis? Dahil dito nagsusuri tayo kung ano yung pinagmulan ng isang problema. Next is help find solutions by mapping out the anatomy of the problem. Nakakatulong din ito para madaling masolusyonan ang isang problema sa pamamagitan ng pagdetermine kung ano ang cause and effect nito. Next is a graphical arrangement of problems differentiated according to causes and effects, joined by a core or focal problem. Technique helps understand the context and interrelationship of problems and the potential impacts when targeting projects and programs in specific issues. In problem 3, there is a tree-shaped diagram which the trunk represent the focal problem, the roots represent its causes, and the branches represent the effects. Can be used in group work dahil nagkakaroon tayo ng discussion and planning kung ano yung mas mabilis na solusyon para sa isang problema. Next is it looks upstream at causes and determinants and downstream at consequences and effects. Assist in analyzing an existing situation by identifying the major problems and their main causal relationship.
So, the steps in making problem 3. First is ang pag-identify ng existing problems. So, yung problem na sinasabi dito is yung negative situation. For example, is a problem in low income or malnutrition. So, dito, pwedeng maraming ma-identify na problems at much better na gawin ang step na ito through brainstorming. Dito din, pwedeng malaman yung existing impossible, imaginary, or future problems. So, the next step is to identify the core problem. Ang sinasabi naman po dito na core problem is yung focal problem, which is the center of all the problems. And halimbawa po ay makikita nyo dito sa presentation is yung lack of sufficient clean water. At doon sa core problem na yon, may mga causes and effects na lalabas. Next, doon sa step 3 ay ang pag-formulate ng causes ng problem. So, sa pag-formulate po ng causes ay maraming mai-consider dito yung mga existing problems. So, sa step 1, which is yung identifying problems. So, pwedeng maging causes din po ito doon sa core problem.
Miss Realyn Macalaod will continue the discussion about the steps or process in problem 3.
Kaapat na step, formulate the effects po. So, dito sa pang-apat na step po, ito yung ating tinatawag na bunga ng problema. Consider that the problems identified in step 1 can also be effects of the core problem. So, dito po sa step na ito, dito po natin isasalang-alang yung mga problemang matukoy sa unang hakbang. Draw a diagram, ikalimang step, draw a diagram, or yung ating problem tree na tinatawag. At dito, sa pag-drawing po natin ng diagram na ito, yung focal problem po is ipi-place natin sa center ng ating naiguhit na diagram. While the causes and effects po is subdividing the roots and the branches. So, yung causes po is ipi-place natin sa taas, sa baba, and effects po is sa taas. At ang ikahuling step naman po is review the logic and verify the diagram. So, dito, i-review na po natin yung ating nagawang problem tree at i-verify po natin if may kulang ba or okay lang ba yung nagawa natin, na tama ba yung paglagay natin sa mga place na yun, kung yun ba talaga siya nahanay. Isa po sa mga example ng problem tree is poor sanitary conditions in the community. So, yun po yung core problem na, which is naka-place sa center ng ating problem tree. And effects po niya is naka-place sa taas, which is poverty, reduced productivity, higher expenses on health services, higher cost for the drinking water supply, mortality and disease, bad smells and contaminated water resources. While yung causes naman po niya, nakaplay sa baba, use of unsafe toilet, paggamit ng mga maduduming toilet, open defecation and clogged toilets, poor hygiene practices, bad design and construction quality, no regular maintenance, lacking access to unsafe toilet, poor education system, and insufficient provision.
So, for the advantage of this problem tree, the first advantage is ang problem ay maaaring ma-breakdown o pwedeng mas mapag-aralan yung isang problema gamit ang problem tree. Second is, mas maiintindihan yung problem at kung paano yung problema na yon ay magkakaugnay. So, for the second advantage, mas maiintindihan yung problem at kung paano yung mga problema na yun ay magkakaugnay, kung ano yung pagkakaugnay nila sa isa't isa. Third is, nakakatulong din po ito kung yung information or yung evidence ay kinakailangan gawan ng strong case. Dahil sa problem tree ay mas may himay-himay po natin yung bawat problema para mas mapag-aralan po. Fourth, na-identify din po yung mga present issues at yung mga past issues na maaring ma-resolve. At yung huli ay yung process ng pag-aanalisa ng problems ay makakatulong sa pagkakaroon ng sense of understanding sa problema, sa purpose at maging sa action na gagawin. So next is for the disadvantage of the problem tree. Yung una is maaaring maging mahirap na maunawaan ang mga causes and effects sa simula. And yung next is dahil nga problem tree ito, kinakailangan ng tamang oras, and it also requires to bring all relevant actors together and to discuss the problems.